mangoes, Alfonso mangoes. We're trying to grow some more. I did buy a tree off my friend Cyrus out of Primal Fruits, which is a bit better established. But the lady curmudgeon has a friend by the name of Hazel, and she's got this magnificent mango tree in her backyard with huge mangoes on it. And she told us it's an Alfonso as well. So after eating these absolutely magnificent mangoes, we took the seeds out. Now I'll link to the other video that shows how we prepared these seeds. But if we open these up, and we'll come in and have a look, we took the seed out of the shell, we wrapped it up in a moist towel and left it in a Ziploc bag for a while. Now that's not the best one. This is not the reason I'm opening these, even though we can see, looks like some growth coming on here. We'll open the others up. So there it is in the Ziploc bag. We'll open it up. And a little bit of mold there. That should be all right. That one again, we can see starting to shoot. And we'll pop that there. And the last one must be the one that I used to make the decision on opening these up. Yeah, there we go. Look at those shoots coming out. This is the reason I decided to open it up. You can see these shoots coming out. We're going to plant this and we'll see how we go. I was hoping the others would be at the same stage, but they didn't quite make it. So I prepared some pots here with standard potting mix, a little bit of blood and bone, and some compost and some mixed manure. Thoroughly mix it all through, and we're going to take our seed which is growing and we're going to plant it that way up. And hopefully these will turn around and grow in the right direction. In fact, we may even lay that one flat, I think. Give it a better chance of coming up. Just going to cover it with about an inch of soil, and in she goes. This one we're just going to drop in flat as well. And this one about an inch deep. Drop them in as well. Make sure we label them. And I've labelled them Mango Hazel, so we know where they came from. Bit of mulch to keep them nice and warm now that the weather's cooling down. While we're doing that, Alfonso mango is also known as a king of mangoes, and it comes from India, which means it'll make a really good mango chutney, which if we can get enough of them, we shall try. Particularly since the camera person and the lady curmudgeon were both born in India. Okay. And there we go. We'll pop these in the greenhouse to keep them nice and warm, if I can find room. And I'll give you an update if they sprout. You guys enjoy life. I'll catch you in the garden.